In this short video clip, I would like to demonstrate the overall work process on how to configure a custom dashboard for integral smart instrumentation. So, as an instrumentation engineer or designer, I can use the SPI application to enter the variety of the data pertaining to the instrumentation equipment, cable scheduler, and I can use the various graphical user interfaces available in the application, like this engineering data editor, where I configured the very simple version of the cable list with the item tag of the cable, the equipment connecting it from and to side of the cable, and the cable length property. However, if I'm a project manager, so I would like to review the same data in the statistic mode. So I would prefer to see the total quantities of the cables in the particular deliverable in this case. So I would like to see the missing data, the quantities of the missing information. I would like also to see the actual list of the cables that have the missing particular missing information. In this case, the cables with the missing equipment connected to the front side of the cable, or the missing the cable that misses the information on the two sides of the cable, and we can combine those filters. Okay, or I can show only the cable that are missing the cable length, as well as I want to visualize actually the statistics of my cable list deliverable, and I can see in this graph like the total number of the cables, the number of the cables that have connectivity in both sides of the cable, and number of the cables that have the cable length defined. So as well as I want to see the overall percentage of the completeness of my specific project deliverable. So how is it possible to make the dashboard available and connecting to the SPI database? So first of all, you need to develop the SQL that will query the data from the SPI database. I have created here the very simplified version of the cable list, so that is similar to the view that you could see on the SPI engineering data editor. In order to make this development, you can take advantage of the entity relationship diagram document that is supplied along with the SPI application. You can find this PDF report in the home folder of the SPI after the installation, or in the integral smart support. So in this example, I utilized the information from the panel slip terminals page and the wiring cable page, and that helped me to navigate through the relationship and to build the SQL. So after that, you can use the application as the Microsoft Power BI that allows you to connect to the SQL Server, where you can then you can paste your SQL and allow this application to query the data directly from the SPI database. So that is the copy of the SQL that I developed previously and showed you before. So once you apply this SQL, so Power BI knows to preview the data from the SPI database, and then you can use the variety of the visualization tools to build your dashboard using the cards, using the tables, using the splicers, using the graphical bars, okay, using the variety of the calculation methods here. And after you completed the model for your dashboard, you can publish it, okay, and then we'll make it available to others through the web, right? So that is the interactive web application that allows your project leads or supervisor or manager to see the statistics and the progress of the specific SPI project delivery. So let's say that your progress is going on, your project is going on, okay, and now you want to update some properties. So let's say you work on the cable list and you want to update now the length of the cables, right? So I will just simply copy and paste the cable length, and that will make an update in the project, and you will need to revise the revision of the document if you issue it. However, as the project lead, I can refresh my dashboard and see the statistics updated. So that will help me to identify the maybe potential issues, so maybe that will allow me to advise the project executors, designers about the status of the deliverable, of this report deliverable. Maybe that information will give some clue about what need to be corrected, and so on. So that's basically it. Very quick overview. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful time. Thank you.